Hi guys, let's unboxing and review Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro global version smartphone. I make a video only for my company B2B business. My company supports small order and small business also. We accept sample order from 1 pieces. We can make it global sending. We have almost 10 years of global sending and international trading experience since 2010. We can deliver Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro global version smartphone and other Xiaomi global version smartphones to your forwarder address in Shenzhen, Guangzhou or other city in China. I will put B2B the contact link below the video. I will put small order sample order link below the video. If you like the phone, you can place us the order directly. We can make it global sending. If you want to make B2B the business of Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro global version and other global version Xiaomi smartphones, you can contact with us. It is a 6.53-inch IPS LCD 19.5 to 9 radio, 395 ppi density. Resolution is 2340 pixels by 1080 pixels. Each front and back glasses are 5th generation Corning Gorilla glasses, and it supports 500 nits max brightness, and it supports HDR. Its operating system is MIUI 10 based on Android 9.0. Its CPU is MTK Heilo G90T octa-core 2.05 GHz. It supports micro SD card up to 256 GB by micro SD card. Water drop display, and memory and storage have 64 GB ROM, 6 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM, 6 GB RAM or 8 GB RAM, or 256 GB ROM, 8 GB RAM, UFS 2.1 memory. It have 5 cameras. Selfie front camera is 20 megapixel f2.0 aperture. The camera is 20 megapixel f2.0 aperture, and its main cameras are called cameras 64 f1.9 aperture wide camera. Actual wide camera is 8 megapixel f2.2 aperture. Micro camera is 2 megapixel f2.2 aperture. And the last camera is 2 megapixel f2.4 aperture. LED flashlight. And the battery built-in is 4,500 mAh battery built-in. Supports 9V 2A 18W fast battery charging. It supports fingerprint. Here's fingerprint sensor. Fingerprint sensor. GP 2.0 Type-C USB port. Headphone jack USB port. Let me show you its camera details. we can see the details of the camera. Let me test 64 megapixel camera again. Can see the details. It supports FM radio, infrared port. Here's infrared port. NFC, GPS, AGPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BTS, Bluetooth 5.0. All Google applications, include Google Play Store. $128GB long. Yeah, all the language menus is support. The phone have black color, red color, blue color, white color, and deep sea blue color, midnight blue color, and electronic blue color. This one is black color. Manelo gray color. 6GB RAM, 128GB long. Okay, let's continue to check what include in the color box. Say Heilo's. It supports 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card. Okay, now you can see one piece Type-C to USB cable. One piece charger. 9V 2A fast charger. One piece eject pin. One piece silicone case. One piece manual. Warranty certificate. Here's the manual. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please like us in Facebook and Instagram pages